Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today, so as always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with our hellos. I will also check the sound quality now, so you may hear me twice. Don't worry about that. Good morning. I am five at that. Good morning. All right, seems like the sound is good. Perfect. Good morning, Mary. How are you? Mary, if you can comment, can you please let me know if the sound is good? We've had some sound issues lately, so I always want to be sure everything is okay and you can hear me well. Good morning, Gina. Hope you're doing well today. Please let me know if the sound is good, if there's background noise or not today. Mary, I see that my internet connection is kind of on and off, so maybe that's why the sound is breaking up. I hope that the connection will be okay for the practice. Happy Thanksgiving. Yikes. You can see that for some reason today the connection is dropping. Well, let's hope for the best. And um, but of course, if it becomes unbearable, I'll do it a little later, or we'll just leave it for another day. I'm not sure what's going on. The internet shows full connection, but it's not really. It keeps dropping. Ugh. I don't get it. The weather is nice, everything is good. You know what? This is what we're gonna do. If the connection keeps breaking up, just going on and off, then I will still do the practice. But if it's not um, possible for you to follow with those little breaks, just wait a little bit, like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, when the practice is posted, because then Facebook patches all those breaks up, and yeah, it keeps breaking up. Oh, one thing after another. What's going on? Oh well, let's be grateful for the internet connection in general and let go of all the little imperfections that are happening. It is time for us to start. Actually, you know what? Let me try to do something. Let me try to switch to my phone. Um, all right, so I switched to my data on the phone. I hope that this is going to be okay. And again, if it's not, just reconnect in like 20 minutes and it should be fine with all the patches. Anyway, let's start. Today we will explore the third core meditation of the mindful self-compassion practice. It builds on the previous two core meditations, affectionate breathing and loving kindness for ourselves. And in this meditation, we focus on the breath and layer kindness and compassion in word, image, or felt sense onto the breath. Of course, I'll guide you through it. So during this practice, we're going to breathe in for ourselves and breathe out for others. And that helps us stay in connection with the world while at the same time practicing self-compassion. We can also think of the in-breath as a way of providing for ourselves, sort of the yang or masculine energy of self-compassion. So without further ado, let's practice. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle in. Scan your body and notice how you're feeling today, physically, emotionally, mentally. Allow your breath to be easy and natural. Just observe how your breath flows through your body and how your body moves with the breath. Close your eyes, and if you like, put a hand over your heart or any other soothing place on your body as a reminder to bring not just awareness to this practice, but loving awareness. Take a few nice, relaxing breaths, noticing how your breath nourishes your body as you inhale and soothes your body as you exhale. Let your breath find its own natural rhythm. Continue to feel the sensations of breathing in and breathing out. And if you like, allow yourself to be gently rocked, caressed by the natural rhythm of your breath. Now focus your attention only on your in-breath, letting yourself savor the sensations of breathing in, one breath after another. Perhaps you can notice how the inhale energizes your body. See if you can breathe in kindness and compassion for yourself with each inhale. Just feeling the quality of kindness and compassion as you breathe in. Or if you prefer, letting a word or image of kindness kind of ride on your breathing. How does it feel in your body to breathe in for yourself? to consciously draw in kindness and compassion to yourself. Is it challenging? Is it easy? Is it pleasant, or does it make you feel uncomfortable for some reason? Connect with your direct experience. And now shift your focus on your exhale, feeling your body breathe out, feeling the ease of exhalation. And call to mind someone whom you love deeply, or someone who is struggling and needs your compassion. Visualize that person clearly in your mind and begin directing your exhale to this person, offering the ease of breathing out. If you wish, send kindness and compassion to this person with each exhale, one after another. How does it feel in your body to breathe out for another person? Is it challenging or easy, pleasant or uncomfortable? Is it easier to breathe for yourself or to breathe for another person? Now, once again, focus on the sensation of breathing both in and out, savoring the process. And as you do this, begin to breathe in for yourself and out for the other person you chose. You can even repeat in your mind, in for me, out for you. In for me, out for you. And as you breathe in this way, draw in kindness and compassion for yourself with your inhale, and send something good out to that person as you exhale. Notice if your inhale is the same length as your exhale, and feel free to adjust the balance between the two. Maybe at this moment you need to receive more than you need to give, or maybe it's the other way around. You can even count as you breathe in and out. For example, one for me, one for you, or two for me, making your inhale bigger, one for you, or two for me, three for you, creating this gentle rhythm of giving and receiving that feels necessary for the moment. See if you can release any unnecessary effort, allowing this meditation to be as easy as breathing itself. Allow your breath to flow in and out like the ocean, waves going in and out, a limitless, boundless flow. Let yourself be a part of this limitless, boundless flow, an ocean of compassion. Now take a moment to scan your body again. Notice how you're feeling at this moment, physically, emotionally, mentally. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. I want to complete our session today with a poem by Nina Hagen. It's called Breathe. Inhale deeply. Fill your lungs with joy. Let your body expand and grow roots deep into the earth. Let your soul widen and stretch into the sky and beyond. Let your mind drift away to glimpse the realm unnamed. Breathe in the life that nourishes and sustains you. And then let it go gently to join the rise and fall of the universe. As you go through your day today, I encourage you to continue practicing giving and receiving compassion and kindness through your breath. And notice whatever comes up. As you may have noticed already, the direction of our intentional breathing is powerfully linked with our sense of self and others. So let yourself explore that connection. Enjoy. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Lorna's guided breathing practice, and I will see you on Saturday. Bye.